Ciao and welcome. This is Sylvia, and this is a short Yoga Nidra nap made upon request to turn within and connect to your internal space. Let's begin. Find a quiet spot where you can relax. It can be your bed or the ground, your favorite blanket, making sure that your body feels at ease and supported for the next 10 minutes. You can place a pillow behind your head and your knees, gently allowing your body to settle. You can invite a conscious breath in and let it out with a sigh. And one more time, breath in and out with a sigh, releasing out the breath. Start noticing the presence of your inside space. And while you shift from thinking and planning and doing into sensing and feeling, what little adjustment can you take to make your body 5% more comfortable? And if you haven't already, you can start to close down the eyes, leaving the outside world, and start tuning in, following the guidance of my voice. Mentally shifting your focus from one point of the body to the next. And as your focus gently shifts, the body remains in stillness. Start sensing the gravity helping you to draining down tensions from the body. Pouring out the cup of thoughts into the ground. Tensions start to leave the body. Start sensing the center of your forehead, center of your eyebrows, your nose, your lips, center of your mouth, feeling and sensations inside your mouth, inside your throat, back of the brain, right ear, left ear, right eye, left eye, both eyes together, melting down. Center of your brain, the brain unwinding down. Back of your neck, your shoulders, right shoulder, elbow, wrist, center of the palm, all 5 fingers of the right hand, tip of the thumb, tip of the second finger, third, fourth, and little finger. Sensing the space between the fingers, forearm, upper arm, right clavicle, center of your chest, left shoulder, down the left arm, elbow, wrist, center of the palm, all 5 fingers of the left hand, tip of the thumb, second finger, third tip, fourth tip, and little finger tip. All 5 fingers of the left hand, the space between the fingers, up the left arm, left shoulder, center of the chest, the heart area melting down, solar plexus, your sacrum, hips, right hip, right femur, your knee, down to the ankle, sole of the right foot, all 5 toes, sensing the big toe, second, third, fourth, and little toe. Up the right leg, right hip, sacrum, left hip, down to the left leg, to the knee, shin, calf, ankle, sole of the left foot, all 5 toes of the left foot, big toe, second, third, fourth, and little toe. All 5 toes of the left foot, all 5 toes of the right foot, left foot, right foot, left leg, right leg, your torso, left arm, right arm, your head, front of the body, back of the body, right side, left side, the whole body now. Feelings and sensations throughout the entire body. The whole body as a unified vessel of energy and feelings. Awareness throughout the entire body. Resting throughout the entire body. Start sensing the back of your body resting on the ground. Your fingers and your toes. And if it feels good, you can invite a little stretch to your body, getting in contact with the surface of the body. Start sensing the space outside your body, the room that you're in, and gently waking up the body. Thanking yourself for taking the time to connect to the space within. Recognizing that the way you connect to the space within is an intricate aspect of the entire fabric of creation. My name is Sylvia, and thanks for practicing with me. Namaste.